Creating a Windows system repair disk is quite simple. Insert a blank CD or DVD into your drive and go to the Start button. Select All Programs, Maintenance, Create a System Repair Disk. Select Create Disk. For the purposes of this video, we have shortened the time taken to complete this task. Once created, you may get a pop-up dialog box from autoplay. Just close this, and the second dialog box just tells you to label the disk. You can close this also. After booting from the disk, you get access to the following options to repair your system.